Alright guys, so if you guys haven't fixed your browser issue using this reset button, you guys have one last step you can do is going to Windows setting. Alright, so click on this, right click on this start button and then click on settings. Now you guys should go to apps over here and then go to install it apps. Alright, click there. Now try to find Microsoft Edge here. I'll just type here Microsoft Edge. And there we go, we have Microsoft Edge over here, and click on this three dot icon and click on modify. So what this will do is it will try to say update this, or you can simply repair it. All right, so go ahead and click on yes, and then simply click on repair icon, and there you go. Now it's downloading the fresh Microsoft Edge for you, that it will solve your issue even if it can't solve the issue by resetting this setting. Okay, so let's go. Alright guys, you can see we have download done. Now it should install the Microsoft Edge for you. This is basically reinstalling your Microsoft Edge, and you guys can fix any kind of issue that you are having on your Microsoft Edge. So there we go. Now this is your fresh Edge, and you guys can check out the issue if it is still going on. And I probably hopefully thinking that your issue has been solved by right now. So this is it. This is how you should be repairing your Microsoft Edge if you can't fix it from resetting these settings. Okay, so that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.